What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday. Big win yesterday for San Fran in the NFL playoffs. Pretty cool game. I'm a Raiders fan, but I'm hoping for the Niners. So anyways, for all those who don't care, let's get into the analysis. Currently we're sitting at 23K. We're up 0.68 on the day. Senior market cap 442 million. 24-hour volume. 24.48 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget or Bybit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget. This is where I do the majority of my trading. Bybit is also a very good exchange for trading, investing up to 30K in bonus. Sign up to either or. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So, here's the price of BTC. Looks like we could potentially push up in a wave 5. We've broken out of this small pattern here. As you can see, we've broken this trend line. So you could see this as a bull flag. And you would measure a flagpole. I don't know. Well, let's see where it measures out to the technical target. Technical target would take you up to about 25.2K. But the trend-based sweep extension, if you take it from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4, the 618 extension is 23.9K for a wave 5. So do watch for that. We have started to break out of this flag pattern here. So if some volume steps in, you can push up to that target. There is potential that the 5-wave move could already be complete, and to have confirmation of that, you would have to break below the wave 4 pullback, which is currently coming in the 0.5 at about 22K, 22,055. If that level is broken, then higher likelihood the larger correction is going to take place. So what I'm looking at here is, let me zoom out to the 4-hour, is that we pushed up in a 5-wave move from the low into a wave 1, and we're looking to pull back in a wave 2. And I think there's a good chance we get rejected in between about 23 to about 25K. Of course, anything can happen. If we do break that resistance, your next level of resistance is all the way up here at about 28 to 29,000 for the price of Bitcoin. I doubt that we push that high before a pullback, but anything can happen in the crypto space. There's a very, very strong, let me pop over to my next chart. We have a very strong divergence on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are creating higher highs, significantly lower highs on the RSI. And money is starting to flow out as we're consolidating here. I do think we may push just a little bit higher before seeing a larger pullback. We'll have to see how it plays out. The DXY looks like this 4-hour bullish divergence is close to playing out. We also have one on the daily. As I've been mentioning, looks like we may have a bottoming tail candle by the end of the day. We'll see how that plays out for the DXY. Sitting on major support, as I've been going over in the video. I don't want to just, say the same thing. But this is definitely a good opportunity to see a bounce for the DXY and put in that wave 2. NDQ is still making a push for the resistance of that double bottom, which is a positive signal for Bitcoin as it moves closely with the US 100 index, the NDQ 100. And we're starting to get back above the EMAs. Let me quickly open up the Dow Jones. Yeah, not too much movement for the Dow. We're still just watching that double top. All right, gang. So just a quick little update. I do think we may see a push, whether it's today or tomorrow, into a wave 5. We can roll over at any time. It's definitely a possibility. But this just looks like a corrective 3-wave move. A, B, C. Come down in an A, B, C into a 4, and then you'd be looking to push up. This could be a 1, 2, and then you push up in a 3, 4, 5 to take you up to 23.9. More confirmation if we break that wave 3 high, of course. If we start to roll over, we lose 22K, then the higher likelihood is we start to come down in potentially a larger wave 2 pullback. We'll see how it plays out. Right now, the targets are okay in between about 17.1 and 18.9K. Just remember that it's my opinion. Elliott wave is subjective to the person that's drawing it out, and it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. Sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis, trade signals, as well as crypto news. which I post regularly. You can see how the members are profiting with their trades. And also my HODL alt plays are all available for the price of a Netflix subscription at 10 USD per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.